Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Seesaw. First, in your computer, go to Google and then type in Seesaw. You're gonna see Seesaw Class App, Seesaw for Schools, Seesaw for Parents, sign up for Seesaw Remote Learning. Now go to Class App. In here, scroll down, you will see devices that you can use to sign up to Seesaw. If you have an iPad or iPhone, click this one and you're going to be installing this app in your own device. After installing this one, and then you'll be able to sign in to Seesaw. Now if you have an Android device, this is what you're going to do also. You're going to install the app in your device. If you're using your Chromebooks, click this one and you will be asked to visit the website, or if you have done it already, just like what I did, I've added an extension to my device, so Seesaw is already here. So example, okay, let me just show you. So I've already created my account, so definitely I would be logged in immediately. But for you, as first time user, you are going to still sign up. You can use also Kindle Fire and computers with Chrome or Firefox. So if you have your own laptop, you can use this. So this is the first thing you're going to see when you click any devices that you have chosen to use to log into Seesaw. You are going to go here. I'm a student. Do not write any email or password, but put the code I have sent to you via Class Dojo message. So example, the code that I've sent to you is all capital letter. This is a code for another student. It's not your own child. Then after putting on your code, press go. And it will bring you to the Seesaw I've created for KG3G class. So in here, you will see an activity that I posted. And I'm gonna show you later how to respond to the activity that I posted. So this is all for signing up in Seesaw.